welcome to Immature Designer. In this video, we will be talking about double diamond approach. So this is a design approach which you use to initiate your design process and go along and end at a solution, and in fact a delivered solution. So this is one of our approach which you can use. This is kind of, you can say, a backbone of human-centered design. So what this double diamond approach is? So basically, double diamond is for, you have 4 D's in this. So it's like a diamond and then another diamond. So 2 diamonds, something like this. So basically the diamond starts here. So first step that happens is that you diverge, right? You diverge and then you converge. That becomes your first diamond. Then again there is diversion and then convergence. That is your second diamond, and both the diamonds are meeting at one center point. So that's how a shape looks like. I would recommend you to just Google it and see what a double diamond looks like. So first of all, how it begins is very simple. You're diverging meaning you are exploring and discovering the problem statement. So your design starts with discover. You discover the user needs, user behavior, user pain points, and you diverge and you explore everything. So it's a stage wherein a lot of when you welcome everything and discover everything, you interview, you understand the user. So that happens in the discovery phase. That's the first D, the first phase of the first diamond, and then you are diverging. But then after you have done all this and you feel that you have collected enough resources, enough data, actually enough insights, you then converge. So when you converge, you are actually trying to define your problem statement. You are defining your problem statement using how might be a proper problem statement you are defining. And you are deciding on the problem basically, which is worth solving, right? So that happens in your first diamond. Then comes your second diamond. What's the second diamond? So now that you have defined your problem statement, you again diverge for the solution. So in this stage, you basically do ideation, brainstorming, you storyboarding, and you also make wireframes and design solutions. So think of solutions. So in that way, you are again diverging and thinking about what multiple millions of possible solutions that can be there for this particular defined problem statement. So you have discovered, you have defined. Now is the time when you are actually developing your solution. So when you develop your solutions, and then the last phase of your second diamond happens, that is the fourth D, which is deliver. So once you have already developed the solution, now you have to deliver the solution. So you have to do testing, and then you move on to develop, and all the handovers and everything, you are finalizing on the solution. So basically your final solution. So now that you have already ideated and then done the brainstorming and everything, you have all the possible solutions that can be there. There are solutions which are practical, solutions which can be possibly done, solutions which are the best one, solution which has given you the best results. So that's how it begins. The first diamond has the discovery and the definition of your problem statement, and the second diamond is having the divergence and convergence, wherein you develop the solution and you deliver the solution. So I hope that helped you. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, and thank you.